Hey guys, Ryan here from Caffeine Hosting, and today I wanted to run through the menu system within the Storefront theme, give you a bit of a rundown how it all works, and my recommendations when it comes to them. So there are three options. You've got primary, secondary, and handheld. So your primary is going to refer to this first bar here. So everything that sits in here is going to be the primary menu. Secondary is pretty much going to be left of the search products bar. So anything here is going to be your secondary menu and your handheld. So what I usually like to recommend is you can do something like you've got your home on your primary, have like home button, shop, blog if you have a blog, and you can either I like to either alternate depending on the store and what your kind of goals are. Have the My Accounts tab inside your primary, or you have it as a standalone in your secondary. If you had it in your primary, you can do things like have your social media links in your secondary. So have like your Facebook, Instagram, whatever. And then in the handheld, because you won't see both of those menus on the handheld option, consolidating all of them into one menu for the handheld on the mobile. So to do that, all you have to do is just go to the homepage, click Customize, and that's going to bring out the theme customizer bar. And we're going to find the drop down that says Menus, and we're going to create our first menu. Really doesn't matter what you call the menus; it's just for your own reference. You don't want to have something like that can confuse you. So you can go add items, go homepage, shop. I don't think I have a blog in here, so you can chuck in the My Accounts one if you like. You can do things like if we have product categories. So let's go men, women, extra. So I like to have sometimes as a drop down, so people can find things easily and have them as a drop down. So to do things as a drop down, all you have to do is just stagger it slightly to the right. You can even create sub menus if you wanted within that menu, but that's how you can create menus there. Then what we can do as well, let's go back, create a new menu. This can be the secondary menu. For the secondary menu space, and you're always going to make sure that you choose the menu locations. You're going to assign it the role, even though you call them a primary menu and the secondary menu. Storefront itself is not going to recognize those as those particular menus. So you just have to tell them, hey, this is the primary menu, this is the secondary menu. So you're just going to make sure you tick those boxes. So if you didn't have the My Accounts tab here, I kind of like having the My Accounts button there too. I think that kind of looks good as well. So you could have the My Accounts there if you didn't have it here. Another thing you could do is if you have the My Account page in the primary is you can do social media links. So what I like to do is go to custom links, and then you're always going to make sure they have the HTTPS to begin the link, HTTPS : then facebook.com/ whatever your URL is, and your link text, Facebook, add item to menu. You could do the same, https : instagram.com/ whatever it is. So I don't know, just put URL for now and Instagram, and add that to the menu. So those are options too. These are things that you can do. So you've got a bunch of different WooCommerce endpoints as well, but this is what I like to stick to, is having these items as inside the page, inside the primary and the secondary. But then for the handheld, what I recommend is going to handheld and consolidating them. So you won't see these menus on the handheld device. So what you can do is just consolidate everything. So homepage, My Account, shop, and then you can have your social media links in here as well, and publish. Perfect. Now if I jump out of there, perfect. So now we've got our menus, we've got our social media links at the top, and you can have them all linked out here. We've got the home page, the shop page, the My Account, and it's got the drop downs here. So then we can click on those those links, and it's going to take straight to that product category, so you can see everything from here. Perfect. So thank you for watching this video. If you need help setting up your Storefront store, I offer free one-on-one consultations for anyone who uses the Caffeine hosting service. So all it is just, if you go through, set up your hosting account, I'll see your details and I'll get in contact with you. This is only for people who use the Storefront theme, though. My goal is to really help people get started building their online store faster, because that's one of the big things I've noticed with people getting started, is that they can take forever to get started because they're not quite sure of how everything works. So make sure you use coupon code TRIAL at checkout if you purchase your domain name with Caffeine Hosting, and you're on the month-to-month plan to get your first month for only 1 cent. So thank you for watching today's video. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to contact me down below in the contact form, and I look forward to seeing you next time.